Here we are in the middle of nowhere. I thought I'd just do a little sound check. Completely standard YZF 125 2012. Standard exhaust, nothing adapted, nothing changed. The odd scratch from the previous owner, I don't know. It's like a wall or something, I don't know. A scratch down here as well. But yeah, let's give it a go. Shut the gate. Up we go. Down it goes. Right. Start. That's it just normal. No revs or anything. It's not bad noise. Sort of a standard noise. I would like it better than that. Right, we'll give it some revs. And we'll give it a couple thousand. So 2, 3. 7,000 right there. I don't really like the sound of it stock, to be honest. What most people do, I'll tell that to talk to you. What I've seen on the internet quite a lot is you've got this is just a cover, and so is this. This isn't actually the exhaust. The exhaust is actually just around there. If you can see it, oh no, under there. That's the original exhaust. Well, that is the exhaust. This is just a sort of a cover on it. Make sure you don't burn yourself in that. What people are doing is taking this off, and then it's got like 3 fixing points. It goes into like a Y shape, so you're looking at something like that, basically. And what you can do, you can get a hacksaw down it and cut this bit here, right there and there, which will open up the hole, make it, what, that's only what, about 3 mil, something like that bigger. But it'll improve the noise, so I'm thinking of doing that. But it's quite easy just to do, get a hacksaw down it. You can still do it on the bike, you've just got to do 3 bolts. Get down it, get into it, cut down into it, see how that goes. Might give it a go. But that's it, that's my sound check. If you like to give it a like or whatever, go for it. Bye.